Don't ever do this to your YouTube videos, because if you do that, at the end of the day, it is just going to stop getting views automatically. Now, I did this to two of my videos, and I'm going to be showing you guys the analysis, and those particular videos stop getting views instantly. And why am I bringing this? I'm bringing this so that every single YouTuber out there can actually learn from this particular mistake. Don't ever do this particular thing on your YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is something to do, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So like I said, first I'll take you to the analytics of this particular video, and I'll be attaching it here. So this particular video I'm talking about is this particular video I did if you want YouTube to give you views, and on that one that I said how to set up your membership account. So okay, on this particular one, if I click on the analysis, you're going to see that this is it. The video has gotten 648 views, and after that particular views, the video just automatically stopped getting views. Now if I click on this particular video, you can see that this is the view, which is the 600. You can see the audience retention of the video, and you can see that 57% of viewers are still watching at around 0.3 seconds. Okay, which marks blah blah blah, so which is not the most important one. Then if you check the reach of this particular video, you can see that the reach is 7.6k impression, and this particular reach stopped immediately I actually did this particular thing. It never got any other reach added to it. Like, this was where it actually stopped. You can see that this particular video was uploaded 6 days ago, which is it. And then if you check the engagement of this particular video, this video just gave us 32 point something watch hour. You can see the audience retention as well, which is a 2 minutes 59 seconds, right? The spike went from up, you can see, from 100%, and it's just slashed down, as you guys can see. Now let's go back to the second video, okay, which is the second video I want to talk about, and which is this how to set up your membership. And this is same videos, and these kind of videos are videos that normally they're supposed to be getting views like over and over again, but this video views was also stuck at what, 649 views, and it never got any views again. Now if you check the impression click-through rate, you can see that people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. Changing the titles or thumbnails can attract more viewers, but some topics may just get fewer clicks. You understand? And it is 5.2% down. Like if you check the arrow is going down. Now if I click on the performance of this particular video, and then I go ahead to click on the reach, you can see that 7.2k, and it stopped getting more impression. You understand? And this video was uploaded 5 days ago as well. Now if I click on the engagement as well, you can see that the engagement is what, 2 minutes 53 seconds as well. You understand? And this is the average, and so on, and so they can see how it actually slashed down gradually too as well. Now what really happened and what really transpired, or what did I actually do in this video that I do not want you guys to like repeat the same mistake. So let me stop this screen record. What did I do that really affected this video? What I did that really affected these videos was two things. Now this was the mistake I did. When I uploaded this video, I left this video for about 2 hours, and I noticed that the impression were going gradually. I went ahead and recreate another thumbnail that I feel like it is going to be more attracting, and I came back to my YouTube studio to change it. Then I also went ahead to change the title of the video, you understand, so that I can actually get more click-through rates. But then again, I waited for another 2 hours. Then I went back again to go and put the same thumbnail and the same title that I originally created for the video, which is this particular one that you guys are seeing now. And then I noticed that the moment I did that, the click-through rate and everything just instantly start dropping down gradually. You understand? Now, and this is one of the biggest mistakes that most of us are doing as content creator. You know, if you check what they wrote in that impression click-through rate, they said if you change it, it might attract more viewers, it might attract more people to like click the video if you change the thumbnails or you change the titles of the video. That is what YouTube Studio tells us, right? But the mistake we do, or the mistake that I knew that I actually did on this particular video, although I knew that I was actually carrying out an experiment because I wanted to actually film a video for you guys and I wanted to see if that thing is actually really working, was for me to just go change thumbnail, change title, after 2 hours come back again to like put on that thumbnail, put on that title. So now the time that the algorithm is supposed to pick the particular video to know the particular audience that need that particular video, I went ahead to confuse the algorithm. That's the honest truth, through changing. So if they are thinking of, okay, I want to use this particular topic to move, In the moment you change automatically, you have confused the algorithm. I saw a particular YouTuber that actually talked about this, and I was like, okay, let me just carry this experiment out, because I've not carried this experiment out before. And I saw that, yes, this is really what is happening. You get my point? Now, check out other videos that I've created that I did not do the same thing to them. They are doing well. You get what I'm trying to say? So the fact that a video is not getting much click-through rates now, or a particular topic is not attracting more people to click on the particular video to watch, it doesn't mean you should just go ahead and just change everything so fast. Now, before you can go ahead and change, if there is any need for you to change, make sure it is up to 48 hours. Now, for 48 hours, and you see that the click-through rate and everything for you is not making sense, you can go ahead and change. But doing this immediately will drastically affect your views. And that was what exactly affected these particular videos. For not like the impression click-through rate is just there. It didn't add, it didn't decrease. Every single thing that is supposed to push out the video just gets stuck. Remember that this kind of video, especially this kind of video of how to set up memberships, they are video that a lot of people are looking for, searching for every single day. But because of those changes that I made, it has already confused the algorithm. Now, it doesn't mean that these videos are still not going to peak. So do not get me wrong. It doesn't mean that these particular videos are still not going to peak. They are still going to peak. These videos are still going to get views in the future. But now, the algorithm, I have to give the algorithm enough time to be able to gather more data to know the audience that they are going to be pushing this particular content into. Now, the second mistake that a lot of content creators do, and I always say that you should not do it, is deleting your content. Deleting your content. Deleting your content is one of the things that will definitely affect your channel milestone drastically. Drastically, it will affect it. If you think I'm lying, you see this particular channel that I have here. So because of the new YouTube rules and regulation, I went ahead and delete a lot of content from this because I have to delete it. And the memento and everything that is pushing out the algorithm of this particular channel dropped down drastically. So you can click on this particular channel to go and see it is not getting views as it's supposed to get before. Now, it doesn't mean that this channel is not still going to pick up. I'm a YouTuber. I know what I can do, right? It is still definitely going to pick up, but it will take the algorithm time to gather more data now to be able to push out the content. So limit the way you delete your content, because some persons will actually upload a video and then come back to delete it because they feel like, okay, the video is not getting enough views. Okay, let them go ahead again and upload it, if the videos can still give them more views. And at the end of the day, if you do that, you are definitely gradually you are killing the algorithm. When the algorithm is supposed to gather enough data on your channel and then push it out to the particular audience that is supposed to push it out to, the algorithm is confused. You understand? So do not do these two things. These two things can affect your views drastically. These two things can make your videos that you're thinking that, okay, the video is supposed to be doing well, the performance and everything will just die down. And instead of you taking like just few moments, few process for you to be able to get to the particular right audience that you're supposed to get to, it will now start taking you years, months, days. You understand? Never do this as a new content creator, as an old content creator, as anybody on YouTube. Before you would do it, if it's in terms of changing your titles or thumbnail, make sure you stay at least 48 hours. Now, secondly, if there is any need for you to delete, maybe that thing has really hooked you, that is when you go ahead and delete. But don't just delete video anyhow, so that one, it will not put your channel to shadow banned. And secondly, it will not limit everything that the algorithm is supposed to push or skyrocket your videos to another level. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't know what to do, how to do it, where to do it, this is your episode. Now come into the channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what you can add. With this mail you're seeing displaying on my screen, and with this flyer you're seeing here, this is where I personally go into channel, like me and you personally do that, to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what you can add. Send me a mail and let's get your channel started. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, bye for now, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.